Here it is our data for the problem. Draw a 70 mm long straight line AB and bisect it by perpendicular bisector. As per the given data, we will draw a 70 mm long straight line and name the endpoints of that line by point A and point B. Now we will mention the length of line AB, which is 70 mm. With the help of compass, point A as a center and any radius r, where r must be greater than the half dimension of line AB, draw arcs upper side and lower side of line AB. Similarly, point B as a center and with same radius r, draw arcs which will intersect with the previous arcs. Now we will name the intersecting points of arc by point C and point D. We will join point C and point D with the help of line. Mark point M where line CD cuts line AB. Now we will measure the length of line AM, which will come 35 mm. So we can say that line CD is a perpendicular bisector of line AB. With the help of this method, we can bisect a line having any dimension.